Good day everyone, this is CK and welcome to our basic accounting online tutorial, advanced studying at home before starting your accountancy journey. In this tutorial, pag-uusapan lang naman natin yung mga pinaka-importanting points about basic accounting para mas madali natin itong maintindihan. And also, this tutorial is a great introduction to incoming ABM students and review na rin for our incoming first year BS Accountancy students. In this video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay yung step 1 ng accounting cycle, which is analyzing business transactions. But before that, balikan lang muna natin yung pinag-usapan natin sa last video natin about the main types of businesses. And yung tatlong types na yon ay yung service business, merchandising business, and manufacturing business. So sa tatlong types na indicated dito sa ating screen, ang pag-uusapan natin for the introduction of basic accounting ay magpo-focus sa service business. Okay? Because service business is the easiest and simplest form or type of business. So, mas madali lang din na gawin yung accounting pagdating dito sa type of business na to, which is the service business. Okay? And for us to start our topic about analyzing business transactions, let us first talk about chart of accounts. So, probably narinig nyo na tong term na to na chart of accounts, pero kung hindi pa, let's define this one. So, ano ba pag sinabi nating chart of accounts? So, chart of accounts is the list of financial accounts set up usually by an accountant for an organization. So, etong mga financial accounts na to, ito yung ginagamit natin to record our business transactions na ginagawa ng ating mga bookkeepers. Okay? So, sabi din dito, available for use by the bookkeeper for recording transactions in the organization's general ledger. So, pag sinabi nating bookkeeper naman, ito yung mga employees ng isang business na nagre-record ng mga transactions na naganap doon sa mismong business. Okay? And itong mga bookkeepers na to, sila yung mga nagki-keep ng mga libro or ng mga books ni business, and yung mga books na yun ay yung ating journal at yung ating general ledger. And itong chart of accounts, it is very significant sa general ledger natin because kinakailangan dito yung kung ano yung account numbers at yung mga accounts na applicable dun sa ating business. So, makikita nyo dito sa ating screen, we have an example of a chart of accounts. And dito sa chart of accounts natin, we have 5 sections. Mainly, the assets, liabilities, owner's equity, revenue, and expenses. So, under them, we have this so-called account titles or simply accounts. So, yung mga accounts na yon, yung mga cash, accounts receivable, supplies, prepaid insurance, office furniture, accounts payable, A-Smith Capital, A-Smith Drawing, and so on. So, sila yung mga tinatawag natin na accounts and ginagamit sila for recording our transactions. Sa tabi nila, meron tayong makikitang mga numbers dyan. So, yung mga numbers na yan ay tinatawag na account number. They are used for reference kung ano yung applicable na accounts for a certain transaction. And sabi ko nga, they are significant pagdating sa paggawa ng general ledger ng isang business. Okay? So, kung tatanungin nyo, permanent ba itong mga numbers na to sa mga specific accounts natin dito? Kumbaga, si cash ba ay dapat laging 111? Si accounts receivable ba ay laging 113? And so on. So, ang sagot doon ay no. Okay? Ibig sabihin lang nito, itong mga numbers na nakikita nyo rito, they are just for reference. Okay? Nagbabago sila from one business to another. So, hindi nyo kailangan na i-memorize itong mga numbers na to. Kasi hindi naman sila permanent numbers ng certain transactions na nandito sa ating example. Okay? So, yun yung dapat ninyong tandaan. Okay. Moving on, meron naman tayong tinatawag na accounting equation. So, pag sinabi nating accounting equation, umiikot lang yan sa tatlong elements. Okay? What we call the accounting elements. And this is also the 3 of the 5 sections na nakita natin dun sa ating chart of accounts, di ba? Which are the assets, liabilities, and equity. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating assets, ito yung total resources ng isang business. Kapag sinabi naman nating liabilities, ito yung mga utang ni business. And pag sinabi naman nating equity, this is what we call the residual resources. Ibig sabihin, ito yung natitira kapag tinanggal natin yung ating liabilities from our assets. And mostly, ang kinocomprise nitong equity ay yung ating capital at yung income na nanggagaling sa ating operations. Okay? Yung capital, yun yung nanggagaling doon sa ating mga owners ng ating business. So, for us to better understand itong tatlong accounting elements na to, here we have the accounting equation. So, the first accounting equation or yung first form ng accounting equation natin is assets minus liabilities equals equity. Okay? So, dahil ang idea nga natin about assets is the total resources of the business, kapag tinanggal natin yung liabilities from that total resources, ang matitira na lang ay yung equity. And just to inform you, etong liabilities natin, etong mga utang natin, they also form part of the assets. Okay? They are also considered as resources. Kaya nga tayo nangungutang because we need resources to continue with the operations of our business, 'di ba? So, yun yung dahilan kung bakit nagme-make sense itong accounting equation natin. So, pag tinanggal natin si liabilities from our assets, ang matitira na lang ay yung ating equity. So, equity, yung tinatawag natin na residual resources or yung mga natirang resources kapag tinanggal natin yung liabilities. Okay? So, the second form of our equation is assets is equals to liabilities plus equity. So, dito naman sa form na to, kapag pinagsama daw natin yung liabilities at yung equity, mabubuo natin yung ating assets, which is our total resources. So, it also makes sense because itong liabilities natin na nanggaling from other entities, dahil yun nga ay utang natin, at itong equity na nanggaling sa ating income from our operations and yung capital natin na nanggaling sa ating owners, kapag pinagsama-sama natin sila, mabubuo natin yung total resources natin, which is our assets. So, it also makes sense. So, third form of our accounting equation is assets minus liabilities minus equity is equals to 0. Bakit? Karugtong lang yan nung first equation natin, pero ang pinagkaiba lang kasi dito is mag-i-equal siya sa 0. Nag-equal siya sa 0 because minus natin yung equity natin from our assets, kung saan minus na natin yung ating liabilities from it. So, ang natira na lang ay 0. Wala nang natirang resources because equity is our residual resources o yung natirang resources. Kaya, kung tatanggalin din natin to, 0 na yung kalalabasan. Okay? So, lagi niyong tatandaan at isa-isip itong tatlong accounting equation natin or kahit isa lang dyan ang matandaan nyo, okay lang. So long as naiintindihan ninyo yung concept ng accounting equation natin. Okay? So, yan ay magme-make sense pa rin in your higher accounting na dyan pa rin iikot yung topics natin about accounting. Para magpatuloy sa tutorial na ito, please subscribe this channel. It's CK Accts upang maging updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating videos. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanonood. And kita-kits sa ating next video.